I'm Ute Sass-Klassen, and I'm working at Wageningen University and research, and I'm a dendrochronologist. So I'm doing tree ring research, and I'm working on with dendrometers, so record tree growth and high resolution, but also work with the extreme long time series of tree rings. And from this research, we learned that actually our beeches in the Netherlands that we are monitoring and even growing on sandy sites, they didn't have any trouble with the drought. So what we saw is that the trees, of course, stopped growing for a longer period from June to July, but they also anticipated on the rainfall in August quite fast. And for me, this means that trees are very flexible, very plastic organisms, which is good news because that means that they have less trouble than often expected with extreme climate conditions. Resilience is quite a hype in the moment. For me, it means that it tells something about the stability in forest ecosystems or in tree growth and perception of interrelation between tree growth and environmental conditions. In the moment, we are very interested on the reaction of trees to extreme environmental conditions, and resilience plays a role in that sense because we want to understand how trees recover from extreme conditions. So resilience is very much related to recovery and to long-term performance of ecosystems. And that brings me back to what I said before, that I think that trees, as long-lived organisms, the oldest trees get more than 5,000 years old, that they can survive a lot of harsh conditions. We see, if we go to the archaeological records, that trees survived the last ice age, which had quite some impacts. We saw, if we look at the last decades, that trees are able to survive quite some extreme events.